Congratulations on taking a look at freelance copywriting as a way to generate income from home that you don't have to leave your kids and can still make an amazing living to help support your family. Now, I know it's not easy. Starting something new never is, but that first step of action to just ask yourself, what if? What could happen? What could this do for my family is a super important one. And I'll never forget when I made that connection. I was looking at a business that had just lost 80% of its revenue, where for the last 16 years, I'd been able to work from home as a graphic designer. Now, it wasn't the greatest business ever. I didn't love what I did, but I did love the flexibility and freedom that I had to be able to work from home and be there to raise my kids. My husband and I had just pulled our kids from school so that we could homeschool them. I had just retired him to come work with me inside this same business. So I was looking at having to make a major shift. And the decision was either go out and get a job somewhere where I'd have to commute, I'd have to spend at least 8 hours a day away from home. I'd probably have to start at the bottom because I didn't even have an updated resume. Or we could figure out a way to continue to make money from home online. It was a no-brainer decision. I mean, it wasn't an easy decision, but the route was clear. I knew that was my passion and my calling. Try to find a way to make it work. Eventually, I discovered freelance copywriting. And I found copywriting. I realized that this word nerd had found her happy home as a freelancer. Now, if that's you and you're like, yes, Christa, yes, everything you're saying right now makes total sense to me, then you're in the right place, okay? Keep taking the next step forward and the next step forward and the next step forward. I'm here for you. You can do this. Your family and your freedom and your finances, it's all worth it. Follow for more.